Namaste everyone. Today I am going to tell you about physical features of India. Physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic division, and they are the Himalayan mountain, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plain and the islands. Let us start the Himalayan mountain. We will discuss one by one all. First of all, we should learn about the formation of Himalaya. It formed after the collision of Indian and Eurasian plate in Tertiary period. During the time of collision, the sediments of Tethys Sea get folded and the Himalayas formed. Look at the animation film. It will help you to understand the formation of Himalayas. Let us discuss about the knowledge of Himalaya. The Himalayas, geologically young and structurally fold mountain, stretch in a west-east direction, forms from Indus to the Brahmaputra. They form an arc which covers the distance of about 2400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayas consist of three ranges from north to south. They are number 1, the greater or inner Himalayas or the Himadri. It is the most continuous, consisting of the loftiest peak with an average height of 6,000 meters. The core of this part of the Himalaya is composed of granite. It is perennially snow bonded and a number of glaciers are found here. Number 2, the Lesser Himalaya or Himadri. The height varies between 3700 to 4500 meters and the average width is 50 km. Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat are the important ranges. The Kashmir, the Kangra and the Kullu Valley are the important hill stations. This region is well known for its hill stations. Finally, the third one is Shivalik. The outermost range of the Himalaya is called the Shivalik. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 km and altitude varying from 900 to 1100 meters. Dehradun, Patli Doon and Kotli Dons are some of the important dunes. Himalaya further divided into the regions from west to east. For example, Himalaya is further divided with the help of a river, so I have written it in this way, that first rivers and then regions. Between Indus and Satluj, it is known as Punjab Himalaya. It is also known as Kashmir or Himachal Himalaya. Between Satluj to Kali, Kumaun Himalaya, between Kali to Tista, Nepal Himalaya, and between Tista to Dihang. Dihang is the other name of Brahmaputra. It is known as Assam Himalayas. Some important names of Himalaya other than Himalaya are Ganesh Himal, Langtang Himal, Manasu Himal, Jugal Himal, Gauri Shankar Himal, Kumbhu Himal, Dholagiri Himal, etc. Let us discuss about the Purvanchal. This is also the part of Himalaya. Purvanchal or the eastern hills. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along with eastern boundary of India. It is composed of sedimentary rock, Patkai Boom, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills are important hills.